This lesson deals with the natural national symbols and the other national symbols. It also explains about the different national festivals. Other symbols of our country. First one, national flag. The tricolor flag is our national flag. The three colors are of the same width and arranged horizontally. The saffron at the top represents valor and sacrifice. The green at the bottom represents fertility and prosperity. The white band in between represents honesty, peace, and purity. The Ashoka Chakra or the wheel in navy blue represents truth and peace. Our national flag's length and width proportion is 3:2, and the Ashoka's Chakra has 24 spokes in it. Now, let us learn few facts about our national flag. First point, the national flag was designed by Pingali Venkayya from Andhra Pradesh. Second one, the first Indian flag was woven at Gudiyathan in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu. Third one, this flag was hoisted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 15th August 1947 at Red Fort, Delhi. Fourth one, this flag is now an exhibit at the St. George's Fort Museum, Chennai. National emblem. The four lions on the top of the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath was chosen to be our national emblem. The national emblem was accepted on 26th January 1950. Satyameva Jayate has been inscribed at its bottom. It means truth alone triumphs. The national emblem consists of two parts, the upper parts and the lower parts. The upper part has four lions facing the north, south, east and west. This is on a circular pedestal. One can see only three lions at a time. The lower part has an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. The wheel of righteousness is placed between them. This emblem is found at the top of the government communication, Indian currency and passport. Do you know the four lions chosen from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka as our emblem is now placed in the Sarnath Museum. National song. The song Vante Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people of India in their struggle for freedom. It has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana. On January 24, 1950, the then President Dr. Rajendra Prasad came up with a statement in the Constituent Assembly, the song Vante Mataram, which has played a historic part in the struggle for Indian freedom, shall be honored equally with Jana Gana Mana and shall have equal status with it. The song was a part of Bankim Chandra's most famous novel, Anand Math. National Pledge. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters is our national pledge. The pledge was written by Paidimari Venkata Subba Rao in Telugu. National Anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It symbolizes the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. This anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali. This was transcribed in Hindi and was accepted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. Do you know, on 27th December 1911, this national anthem was sung for the first time during the Congress Committee meet held at Kolkata. The rules to be observed while singing the anthem. This anthem has to be sung at a duration of 52 seconds. Everyone should stand erect while singing the national anthem. One should understand the meaning while singing. These are all the rules to be observed while singing the anthem. Currency of India, INR. The Indian currency is the Indian rupees. The currency released by Sir Shah Sur in the 16th century was rupiah. This rupiah has been transformed into rupees. We all know the symbol of rupees, right? This was designed by D. Udaya Kumar from Tamil Nadu in the year 2010. Beating retreat. On January 29, the third day of the Republic Day, the celebrations are brought to an end with the beating retreat ceremony. This is performed by the bands of Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. The President of India is the chief guest of this day. Rashtrapati Bhavan will be illuminated at 6 p.m. as a part of the celebration. National holidays. First one, Independence Day. Every year, August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day to commemorate India's freedom from British rule. What do you mean by commemorate? Commemorate means recall and show respect for someone or something. This auspicious day is also marked as the birth of the world's biggest democracy, India. On the day India gained independence, Mahakavi Bharatiyar's poem Aduvome Pallu Paduvome and it was sung over the air. Air means All India Radio by T.K. Pattammal, a famous singer of Carnatic music. The celebration of Independence Day continues every year. The Prime Minister unfurls the national flag on the Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. Republic Day. On 26th January 1950, India was declared as a democratic state. Every year, this day is commemorated as the Republic Day. The Constitution commenced on 26th January 1950. From August 1947 to 26th January 1950, the Queen of Britain was the honorary head of India. The day India was declared as a democratic state, the President became the first citizen of India. On Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. Gandhi Jayanthi. The birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was declared one of the national festivals. It falls on 2nd October. In 2007, the United Nations declared October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence. Kodi Katha Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran was born in Chennai of Erode district. As a youth, he actively participated in the freedom struggle for India. In 1932, when Gandhiji was arrested, protests were held against the arrest all over the country. When protests were held for Gandhiji's release, Tirupur Kumaran took active part in it. He lost his life when the police attacked violently. He held on to the Tricolor Flag even when he died. He was honored with the title Kodi Katha Kumaran. The Government of India has released a postal stamp on his centenary year to remember Tirupur Kumaran's sacrifice and dedication to the nation.